In this video, we're going to review some of the highlights of the Thrive point-of-sale version 7.7 release. One of the first things you're likely to encounter is our new simplified close register process. Let's take a look. If you want to keep the two-step process you're used to, where you close and then reconcile, you can. When you get to the register close screen, just press Count Later. You'll be prompted to keep the starting balance in the drawer, and then you can reconcile from Manager Home, as usual. If you want to simplify the process, try our new one-step close. Just count all of the cash in your drawer and enter it here. Remember to count all the cash, including your starting balance. With proper security, you can see a report that'll give you a hint. Press Enter. You'll be prompted to leave the starting amount in the drawer and transfer the rest out. That's it. The rest of the tender types are transferred automatically as well, and there's no need to reconcile. One thing you might run into is this prompt, which can happen if you've paid out more cash tips than you've taken in. When that happens, you might need to transfer more cash into the drawer to reach your starting balance. Just click Transfer if you're replenishing the drawer, or Start Short if you're not. Another nifty enhancement is for when you've not got enough cash in your drawer to pay your tips. You'll be able to easily pay part of the tips from another cash location when this happens. Another enhancement you'll probably notice right away are changes to the driver status screen. We've simplified the process of adding tips. So all you have to do is click on the tip field and enter the tip amount, either using your keyboard or the on-screen keypad. You can also tab from field to field to enter all of your tips conveniently. I'm excited to announce that we've improved the appearance of email receipts. To email a receipt for an order, select the order, click on the total hyperlink to bring up full review, and enter an email address. Here's what the new receipt will look like. Your logo and your custom message will appear. If you've captured the customer's signature electronically, that'll also appear on credit card orders. Thrive has the option to automatically email a customer confirmation receipt. This is configured here in Configuration Customers. You can choose the order confirmation to send a receipt at order, a summary at dispatch, or both. Here's where you say where the email is sent from and add a custom receipt message. The dispatch confirmation receipt is also graphically improved. You no longer have to set up an email account to send from. All the emails will send automatically. Here's something a lot of customers have been asking for: the ability to reprint a prior close shift for a driver. Go to Driver Status and go to Print. You'll now have the option to print a current ticket report or a prior shift summary. Select the date that you wish to look at, and you'll see the summary, and you can print it. Ever wish you could find out more about who's been changing tickets? Now you can from the full review screen. Just select the full review from the order screen. You can see on this ticket that this particular pizza was edited after it was originally ordered, and another item was added to this order. We also can tell that the order was changed from dine-in to go. All of this tracking helps you keep track of what's happening with your tickets. If you like to save on receipt paper, you'll like this next feature. If you don't configure a receipt printer for your station, you'll see this Print Receipt button on the tender screen. Just select it to print a receipt on demand to the local printer. This will save you from having to print a receipt for every order. The Register Assign feature is another way to improve security in your operation. To assign a register, go to Cache, and assign. Select the cache location and the person to assign it to. Now that's the only person that can use that drawer. If anyone else tries to get into the drawer that's assigned, it'll require a manager override. You can see the drawer assignment at the top of the register screen. These features are just a few of the many improvements we've made in version 7.7. For example, we've also added network status detection and robust recovery for Sales Builder loyalty transactions, so even if your internet is down, your customers will get their points. To learn about all the new features in this release, check the help and look at the current release notes. Thank you for being a Thrive point-of-sale customer. We hope you enjoy this new release.